We started 2025 with an incredible dinner at Hotel and Restaurant Heiligstein in Neuweier. The ambiance was festive, cozy, and tastefully decorated, perfect for a winter evening. We started with a bubbly aperitif infused with tiny baked apple cubes, a delightful seasonal touch. Opting for their 4-course menu at $70 per person, every dish celebrated winter ingredients cooked to perfection. For starters, we had German Feldsalat or lamb's lettuce with crispy crotons and bacon, followed by a rich and velvety pumpkin soup, one of the best I've ever tasted. My main was crusted salmon with white cabbage and potato puree, while my husband enjoyed beef fillet with black truffle juice and German bread pudding and Brussels sprouts. Dessert was gingerbread parfait, chocolate mousse, and rum-soaked berries. We loved their friendly service, and with their massive portions, we could barely get into the car after dinner. So if you're in Neuweier, this spot is a must visit. Cheers to more delicious adventures in 2025.